I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. You have Game Pass Ultimate and a signed Microsoft account. Once done, switch your Steam Deck into desktop mode so you can install and configure a browser. Open a modern browser and sign into your Microsoft account. This lets you access Xbox Cloud Gaming. Make sure your network is stable and low latency. Use 5 GHz Wi-Fi or wired via a dock for best performance. Now you're primed to launch cloud gaming or prepare a native app. You'll navigate to Xbox Cloud Gaming inside the browser and sign in if not already authenticated. This provides immediate access to your Game Pass library. Once there, enable controller support and test button mapping so inputs match Steam Deck layout. Use an Xbox profile mapping for consistent results. If available, install the site as a progressive web app to get a full screen, app-like experience, and a desktop shortcut. Make sure browser hardware acceleration is on, and background apps are closed for smoother streaming. You'll pick a Game Pass title and press play. Once streaming starts, switch back to gaming mode or use the PWA full screen for best controls. If you notice stutter or input lag, lower the stream quality in the Xbox UI and verify you're on a 5 GHz network or use an Ethernet dock to reduce latency. If the controller doesn't respond, relaunch the browser, rebind buttons in Steam Input, or toggle controller support in the Xbox overlay. This fixes most mapping or connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.